What is up, you guys? My name is Kimberly Cherrell. Welcome back. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I never say that, but I probably should because half of y'all be forgetting. I want to do a half up, half down quick weave. I've never done a quick weave before, so I'm very excited to do this. I went to the beauty supply store. And I was up and down them aisles, up and down and up and down. I even saw one of y'all. Y'all was like, "Oh, is you Kim?" I'm Kim. And I was in there trying to get the stuff for this. I went to Beauty Master because I had like a $70 credit. With the $70 credit, I still had to pay like $45. So I got a lot of stuff. I even got some pantyhose, but they in there. But anyway, let me show you what I got. This is the La Flare Echo bundle. It's 100% virgin human hair, whatever. I just wanted something I could put heat to. But you know, you can bleach, you can dye, you can perm this. I got 2 bundles of 22 and 116. I may not need all that, but y'all know how this go. You get more than you need. So this is the other bundle. And this is the 16. So I want to do the hair clip, the quick weave hair clip, because I want to be able to have my own hair out in the front. I don't know, it's just something about my own hair being in the front. Anything else can be going on in the back, but in the front, I want my own hair. I want you to think it's mine, even though I know you know. I know we both know it ain't. I know that. But I want you to think it's mine. And then I got a few wig caps. So I got like 2 packs of 2s. I got a pack of rubber bands because I feel like I ran out of rubber bands and bobby pins. So like I did a little re-up. So I have a lot if I need it. I also got some hair glue because it's a quick weave. But I've never used this before because I've never done a quick weave. I saw this one lady braid up her hair and put this on your hair and then put the cap on top of that. So I think I want to do that method as opposed to putting the cap on and putting this on top of the wig cap. You get what I'm saying? So, anywho, I got that. I've already parted my hair, as you can see. And I already started braiding. I did an anchor braid. And then I did another one straight down. And I connected them. So that's all I've done. Let me show you. Can you see? I hope you see, Fren, because I can't see if you can see. I'm gonna just braid 2 braids and then connect them, and then when I'm done, just bring them all up, and that's gonna be my braid pattern for the back because it's not that deep. I'm really good at like braiding without looking at my hair. It's the parting that gets me. I sewed it up a little bit, y'all. Not too much. Let's talk about this stuff. So this stuff protects your hair from the glue that you're gonna use. So since I'm doing a quick weave and I'm using glue on the tracks, we do not want it to get on my hair. So this is supposed to protect your hair, right? So most people, like I said, put the cap on and then they put this on, which it still protects your hair. So I got me a little brush and I'm really just gonna brush this product on. What does it smell like? It don't smell like nothing bad. Oh, it's like looks fine. Looks like a decent product. It is dried. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the cap on. And then, ooh, baby, that's a tight cap. Just like that. And I'm gonna glue around the perimeter. Well, not glue. I'm going to add this stuff around the perimeter, let it dry, and then I'm gonna cut the rest of the cap off. And then we'll get on with the rest of the hairstyle. Cap is applied. I'm not even gonna lie. I opened the hair. It's not giving. Look how the ends look. Why they look like that? This a 22 inch. Why you look like that? This don't even look like 22 inches. Like, I don't even want to open the other pack. Like, I don't. Because what in the heck? I just don't. I didn't want to use this hair because it's 36 freaking inches. But, like, that hair don't look full at the end. I don't know what I was thinking. So we're gonna have to go with shake and go. Like, she giving more. She's just giving more, I'm sorry. The rule of thumb is to go right above your ear. So it'll be like that. And so basically, I'm gonna just cut them to fit the cap, add some glue, and glue it. Now I'm gonna do the first few in my mirror, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing. I need to get a good idea of what it looks like, get to a good point, and then I'll be back. I got majority of the hair installed, right? And like I told y'all, I didn't want to like have to put my hair out, so because I'm blonde clearly, so if I put my hair out to, you know, to hide the tracks, you're gonna see the blonde, right? So what I thought of was I left the cap on. As you can see, the cap, the additional, I didn't cut it, so I'm just gonna flip it back, right? I'm gonna flip it back. And then this last track, I've already flipped it back. There's enough room to put a whole track on top of that. Once I put the track and glue it on, I'm gonna flip it back so that the cap could just flip over because it's elastic, so that the hair comes out of the cap and you don't see a track. Yeah, yeah, it better work. Glue the track all the way here and then flip it up so it hides the track. Okay, I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna come back and see if it worked. I didn't want to have to straighten my hair, but I think I should. It ain't even hot. I'm just like, I just plugged it in. I'm like, all I need is a little bit, so I ain't even stressing it. But I think it's on, what is it, on 350 right now? I really thought I filmed the ending of the video. I saw myself wrapping it and everything. Y'all, I went to go check out the content. It's not there. So this is what I did. I just ran up the steps, so give me a second. This is what the quick weave looks like. Okay, I went ahead and plaited it because it was getting tangled just a little bit, so I just plaited it up. But this is what it's looking like. I was gonna do the, you know, the middle part, swoop it around with the clip and all that kind of stuff. But honestly, I just said I really don't want anything in my face. I want to be just like snatched. And that's what we are. I did a regular ponytail, and as you can see, I plaited up my hair, and yeah, that's all we have. I actually took the ponytail out so that I could redo it just for y'all. So it's really not hard. So I had some additional hair. Honestly, all you need is 2 packs for this whole entire hairstyle. I use a pack and like a quarter pack, and then the rest is this. So this is enough for a ponytail, especially a ponytail where I wanted it to be a clip, you know what I'm saying? So let's get right into it. What you're gonna need is a bobby pin and a rubber band. Where is my rubber bands? You want to put a rubber band on the end. You want to tuck your ends first of all, because we don't want those to be disturbed. So you want to tuck those ends. I'm gonna tuck it a little higher, just about like right there, just to make the ponytail a little shorter because my hair long. And I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap this rubber band around the end like that, so that you get this. You know, your hair is nicely tucked in here. You can tuck it in the braid if you want to. Don't really matter. It will not be harmed in the making of this process. Now, I redid the ponytail. It's gonna be okay. I'm not gonna like really snatch it, but y'all know how to do a ponytail. We're not getting into that. But you wanna put the bobby pin on one end of your hair. Let me straighten this bobby pin up because it's going through it. You want to see which side has the frayed hairs, because if you don't, this will happen. I should have flipped this track, but honey, honestly, I don't care. You know what I'm saying? I don't really be caring. But flip the track. If you have the option, flip it. If it happens, it's okay. I'm just making sure, because as I'm wrapping, when I get right here, I don't want that to happen. So you have to wrap the way that you need to wrap. Put the bobby pin right down, just like that, okay? And then you want to take the bobby pin, get your pony, and put it through the rubber band so it's not through your hair. Okay, so just push it through the rubber band all the way through, just like that. And now you can roll the hair up. So what you want to do is you want to just roll it around. And this is going to work really good for those of you who have color. It's going to cover. So you don't have to really focus because all of the hair will be at the top of your head, which will eventually cover this. So you don't have to do them too close together, but it just depends on how long your ponytail is. You know what I'm saying? So just eyeball it. And just be sure to keep brushing this out because this hair will get tangly. You see how that's all overlapping? You see that? And now you can't see my blonde. And you can easily like brush right over it. Then you get to the top, just keep wrapping. I like to take the tail in and just keep wrapping. Boom. The ponytail. Ooh. It'll be nice to put a bobby pin in it, but I mean, I did have a bobby pin in it. However, I'm not gonna put a bobby pin in mine because I'm gonna take it out soon. But definitely add the bobby pin. And as you can see, this is a nice pony. Like I said, I didn't tighten the ponytail. But if you really want it to be super tight, all you have to do is take a piece of the hair. See how long it is? Pull this ponytail up and wrap that thing tight. And then come up and smooth it out. I don't want to wrap it tight, but I guess I might try. Hold on. You see how that just tightened that ponytail? Now, if you really want this to stay, spray you some Got to Be glued and blow dry it at this point as you're wrapping. However, I need to stop because I'm gonna take this out soon. This is what the ponytail would look like. Okay, okay. And yes, you can still see, you know, where my track is here. And that's why I was going to do hair clips. So just kind of push this down, bring the hair up, grab a hair clip and hair clip right on that braid. So now you just split it down the middle like this. Just brush that out so that it's nice and detangled, just like that. So it would hang like that. So now I'm gonna take this braid out. Seamless blend. It is so quick to do. I love it, y'all. Look at this. This hair is nice. It just tangles over time. Like, I will be honest with y'all. I done slept on this hair every night on the couch, right? Because I've been like cleaning up my house. Clothes are all on my bed. I actually slept in my mama bed yesterday, but I still didn't like wrap my hair or anything. So I haven't been wrapping it. So it really should be more tangled than it is. It is pretty tangled though. So yeah, y'all, this is it. Let me back up a little bit so y'all can really get into it. Can you really get into it? This is so flirty. I don't know, I feel like it's a flirty hairstyle. I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you guys want to see more hair tutorials from me, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know any hairstyles you want me to try. I am on the quick weaves. We can do sew-ins. We can do stuff with our natural hair. We can do it all. We're about to do it all, y'all. I'm just experimenting so much. Protective styles, all that. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.